Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today I will be telling you how you can create a premium product section just like this one you are on the screen on Elementor WordPress using Elementor. So with an animated image like this. So let's go to Elementor. First you have to create a main section and give it the background color of your choice. I have given it the golden color, which was my theme color. Then I added a main container, this one, and then I added two sub containers in this, one including the headings and text and button, and the other including the background image and the product image. The white image, which you can see calm, sleep, reduce fatigue, this is the background image which I created on Canva, and I'll show you how I will do it, how you can do it. So as far as the headings and text, you can add it from the elements. Just drag and drop the headings and align them and give them the font. On the other hand, click on the container and click on style. Then you can see the image here I've added. So what you have to do, go to Canva and create an image by 600 by 600 pixels. That would be great. So give it the background color golden, same color as you have given on that section. Then we have to add a ring border here. For that, we'll go to designs, click on ring border. Oh, go to elements and click on ring border. Here you can see, and if you click on see all, you'll see a lot of ring borders here, and you can change the colors as well on your basis. Now we have to add the white shadow to give it a more premium look. We'll type white shadow in the elements, and here we have it. Then we have to add this button shape. So we'll click on button, button shape in elements. Here you will find a lot of them. Pick one of your choice and then you can color it according to your needs. Just like this, you can adjust it anywhere. So as far as the text, go to text, add a heading, click here, reduce the font and add a heading here, align it and put it here. As far as the icons, I created these icons using ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give me the icon related to it, and it created this one. And on the same way, I added both of the icons below in it for reduced fatigue and joint pain section. You can also use icons from Icons 8, Lord Icons, and there are numerous websites for icons. It's up to you. Now this is how I made this picture from Canva, and I gave it the container background. Gave this image the background of the container here. Now let's get to the product image. The background of the container must have this image, white image with shadow, and you have to add the product image here. Add it from your gallery. You might be having the image. Now for animating it, you have to go to advanced. You must be using Elementor Pro for custom CSS option. Then I'll paste the code in the description below. I'll paste the link where you can get this code. And when you remove this code, it will be a simple product. And when you add this code, the product will be animated. Now, if you want to animate it in any other way, for example, if you wanted to go up and down or go up and left, so just copy this code and give it to ChatGPT and ask it to move it in upward left direction, upward right directions. I asked I have did it like move up and tilt right. You can do anything you want, and ChatGPT will make the code better for you. And you can use DeepSeek also for that. And this is how you can simply create a product section on your website. Have a great day. Do like and subscribe if it helped you, and let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below. Have a great day. Bye bye.